What's up, gang? It's day 2 on the Donkey Kong. This is actually like an hour before close. I'm kind of running out of time. I'm not pulling the monitor tonight. I was going to do that today, and I ran into some regular repairs in the arcade that I had to take care of. So coming back to this, and when I got done after my regular repairs, I came back to check it. I just flipped it on just to see what was going on, and we had graphic glitches all over the place. Basically, wasn't throwing up garbage, but it was the game with a lot of garbage over the top of it. So I pulled the board, and what I'm going to do is, just for now, I'm just going to pull the chips out and clean the legs, and then reseat the chips back in there, check for any caps that might be bad, that are visually bad, and then move from there. At least I'm going to try to get the video back right before I go home tonight. Stay tuned.
I'm Walter Day, the father of esports, and you're watching Matty Mo's Arcade.
And you know how long it's been since I played Whac-A-Mole?
I'm getting ready to attack, fanny pack attached. Tokens are all stacked, got the mallet in my grasp, waiting for the moles, hiding in their holes. Scoreboard keeping tally, I'll be playing till they close now. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. Can't nobody beat my high score. You can't beat my high score. I'm a mallet master, a single-fisted blaster. You can ask my baby, it starts slow then gets faster. I'm a record setter.
Alright, we're going to throw this board in now. I've taken all the chips out, cleaned them, put them back in. I also reseated the ribbon cables on it. I don't know if it's going to help any at all, but it's better than not trying anything. I have limited time tonight, so I have just enough time to try this. Maybe we'll get lucky and the sound will start working, but I doubt it. You never know. I was wondering about this monitor last night, and then I started looking. Yeah, I've worked on these before. I think it's just an earlier model than what I was expecting. Alright, now hopefully I can figure out where all these plugs go in by memory, because I took pictures, but it's on my phone that I'm recording with. So that one goes there. This is the other. Oh, this one goes over here. P5. I do not want to go in there. I think this is the right one. There we go. Okay, this is audio. I know that. That goes. Thought it was. Oh, there it is. It says TV audio. Hey, we're gonna put it in the TV. Speaking of TV, I know which one video is as well. That one goes to TV. I missed a pen. Just go this way then. It has to go that way. Edge connectors are so much nicer. I don't even know if I'm going to use this footage because I knew it was going to take forever. And this guy is the other power. Has power running to the board on either side, right away from each other, both from the power supply. We should have coin meter. I'm missing some connectors here. Where do we go? That's monitor. That's the monitor. these suckers go? Okay, here's one. Is that the only one left? Okay, I guess that's the only one left. And 3-pin into 3-pin. Alright, so I'm going to pause you for a second because I need to make the tripod taller. And I got to replug this thing in. So just give me a second here. Okay, let me switch the power here. Line. There we go. Alright, fingers crossed. That doesn't look like anything happened. Oh, here it comes. It looks like we are back without garbage. That's good. Let's I'm actually gonna move you around over here. Let's try to adjust this monitor in a little better. Light. The phone has light on it. Okay, we can fix that. Hang on one second and we'll start a new clip. Alright, we're going to give this a shot for just a few minutes and try the brightness at least. I know it gets better after it warms up, but I got like 5 minutes to mess with this. Too bright. Yeah, definitely too bright. That looks green. Looks like we had all three colors there for a second. Alright, I'm going to try contrast. This one doesn't have contrast. Let's see, that didn't really do much. Okay, I need to turn the brightness down. I guess I'll turn it down just a hair. Where's the screwdriver go? Definitely looking green, and I didn't have any green before. Let me mess with some other pots here. I need to turn this light. Let's see here. These pots were labeled. Seem to do anything. And this one. come look just in case. It's still green as hell. What color is that? I saw it do something. Still just green. That is weird. I can turn the brightness down. And turn it up on this side. Up there. Down here. Ah. Okay, so it's still up really high. Way too high, really. I still got raster lines. Well, anyway, I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll leave this video open, and we will come back and start working on it again tomorrow. And instead, I will post the Donkey Kong Coleco to watch for tomorrow. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we will continue. Okay, I got it pretty good. Looks a little green still, but yeah, it's still a little green. But I got all three colors. You can't see the red in the camera, but it looks fine on the monitor. Just needs to brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, it's real hard to see. I'll figure that out. Probably help cap it, I guess. All right, I'll be back. So these two right here are going to be ground and 5 volt. So what do we get here? Did I not turn the game on? I didn't turn the game on. I guess that would help. Hang on.
Here it is, a nice little trade. The person I traded got what they wanted, I got what I wanted, and a pretty good deal on it too.
Super hang on. Get what I want.
That comes later.
Yeah.
Okay. It's on fire.
What happened? Whoa.
Lots of smoke.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah, well, thanks for watching.
When you take care of people, people take care of you in this community.
That's the truth.
So everyone, please remember that. Even if we're competitors, we're not enemies.